In 2026, Americans are carrying a collective $1.28 trillion in credit card debt. Navigating a balance of this size requires a specific strategy to regain control of monthly cash flow. The average interest rate for these accounts now hovers between 21 and 25%. At those levels, the interest often consumes the majority of every payment you make. To see how this affects a single household, look at a $5,000 balance at a 22% APR. If you only pay the minimum every month, your principal stays nearly flat, while the cumulative interest you owe skyrockets. Under this minimum payment structure, it takes over 20 years to reach a zero balance. You ultimately pay back almost double the original amount you borrowed just to cover the interest. We are going to replace that 20-year timeline with a custom, aggressive blueprint designed to clear your balances in a fraction of that time. Breaking this cycle requires a specific, active attack plan targeting the principal balance directly. The first step is gathering your data. You need to list every current balance alongside its specific interest rate to see the full scope of the debt. The most efficient mathematical path is the debt avalanche. This reorders accounts so the highest interest rate card becomes your primary target. Pay minimums on every other card, then funnel every extra dollar into that high interest balance until it is gone. If you struggle staying motivated, the debt snowball is the psychological alternative. It sorts accounts from smallest balance to largest, regardless of interest rate. Wiping out a small debt provides a quick win. Roll the full payment from that cleared card into the next balance. Both strategies rely on targeting a single card relentlessly. The most effective choice is the one you will commit to until the final balance is cleared. A payoff strategy is only a theory until you identify the extra cash needed to execute the plan. This modified 60-20-20 budget provides the framework. 60% covers essential needs and debt minimums, 20% goes to savings, and 20% to discretionary wants. To accelerate progress, compress the wants category. Cutting discretionary spending extracts the capital necessary to pay down the principal. Use a spreadsheet or a free budgeting app to track every dollar for 1 month. This identifies exactly where your money is leaking so you can redirect it. Every single dollar you reclaim from your budget must be sent immediately to your target card. This restructure creates an active debt clearing tool where every dollar is assigned to a specific goal. In the 2026 economy, budget cuts alone are often insufficient. Increasing your income is a necessary component of a fast payoff. Even an extra $200 to $300 a month from a side hustle or freelance project changes the math. Every cent of that income should go directly toward the debt principal. Use financial tools to freeze your interest. Balance transfer cards offer 0% intro rates for 12 to 21 months, allowing payments to hit the principal. Watch for transfer fees, usually 3 to 5%. On a $5,000 balance, a 5% fee adds $250. If you have a decent credit score, a personal consolidation loan at 10 to 15. Switching to debit or cash ensures your balance only moves in one direction, down. This is why that 20% savings bucket in your budget is critical. An emergency fund provides a buffer for unexpected costs, so you don't have to rely on credit cards when a surprise expense hits. These behavioral rules act as safety nets, ensuring that once a balance is cleared, it stays at zero. There is a profound sense of relief that comes with seeing a zero balance on your final statement. Debt payoff is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate small milestones, like paying off a single card, to maintain the discipline required for the long term. Millions of Americans have cleared their debt using this systematic approach. Following these steps will put you on the same path. Tell us in the comments, what is your biggest challenge right now? Is it the high interest rates or finding extra income? We read every response. Subscribe for more strategies on building a stable financial future. Financial stability follows the consistent, disciplined execution of these steps over time.